So yeah, I think we need to clean the car after borrowing it. Because we used it.
Yes.
So, yeah. Come on, we're going to clean it. We'll clean the car. Super hot. So,
We're going to clean.
we'll clean the car. Clean it. Yeah. Ang bula. Ang bula na. Tingnan pala ang pala. Haligang-gang. I'll just try to do. Ano mo yung i-ganon mo ngayon. Ayan. Ang init ng tubig, no?
Sabi dyan?
Starting it. I'm just going to dirty. I don't know how long she's had it and not cleaning it. When is the last time she cleaned it? Or she actually wait for us to clean it? Oh my god.
Who is the owner of this?
Yeah, you can put soap. That's it. Yeah. Oh my god.
So sexy.
So you normally put on, you go on top to bottom. Magalit. Top to bottom. Much soup.
Ano ka buko? Parang hindi ko kaya kumakit sa ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko abot.
Yeah. Oops. Slippery. Oh my god, it's slippery. Dito ka sa kalimang sa alagyan ka ng my fancies. You need to get wet.
Bagay, bagay ko sa'yo medyo matagal sa akin una. Kula ka kung padala ka. Matagal na rin.
She'll get wet. Ay! How do you do that? Ay! Sorry. This way. You need to just leave it like that. Ah. Okay. Oh my goodness! It just works that way. Oh, leave it like that.
So funny.
Just like that. Oh my God.
Parang ako inaisip nito.
Oh my gosh!
Tawa na.
It's so cold! It's so cold! Oh my god! I feel like I'm doing a pee. It's cold. Careful. It's a bit, slippery.
Madalas yun, Inisip ako kasi hangin ng lapas. Ay, nakabila.
Alagaan.
I'm soaking wet.
Di ba hindi? We need to look like we're a sexy
Like Ivana.
ouch! What do you call that? Normally the car wash. Sexy.
Ay, ano din sa face mo kasi? Gusto niya magtalim sa
Yeah. Like sexy. How to clean your car like this?
Sexy. Yes.
Sexy way. Aray! I can't stand up!
Yes.
Yung nag-stuck yung tuhod mo sa sa baba.
Sexy.
Okay. Get in. Hello. Ay, hindi. Yan ay ano pala. Yung nagagawa na.
Diba ang dahil na ako kailangan.
Oh my goodness. Wait lang. I'll wash this area so we can go transfer to the other side.
It's over here.
We'll transfer to the other side. And the front. Yeah. Transfer. We're going to the other side. Oh! Yeah.
Yung ano pa mo? Yung ano pa mo?
Hindi mo maglinis yung may-ari nito.
How many years? Hindi namin isa. Ba't nakakita na sa mga?
Yung car nabasa. Nabasa yung car. The car is getting wet.
Dapat ganito eh. Buka ay
Yes!
ang hard.
Yung nag-car wash ka.
Pati yung nagka-carwash girl ay ba?
Yung car wash girl, basang-basa. Init.
Ikaw naman ako nang gabasa.
Malamig. 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 Pa naman, I'm going to be the sexy. Yung nalunod yung yung nag-car wash. Nalunod. Yung dapat sexy lang pero nalulunod na yung nagka-car wash. Wait lang. I'll remove my jacket. Ano nga suot mo? Yung nahuhulog na yung pantalon. Ano?
Linis na.
Naligo ka na. Dito ka talaga. Yung kasama naligo.
Ngayon lang nakatabilis ang car. Naglinis lang ng car.
Naglinis na.
Napaliw na.
Yung naglinis ka lang ng car na baliw ka.
Kaya na tayo mag-kotse na.
Ano na mag-kotse na? Ay, nag-kotse. Hindi ka na pwede pumasok sa kotse, basa ka na. Paano nga yung budot, di? Ay, naku, nalalahig na po yung short ko, yung pantalon. Pantalon ko talaga to, luwag lang talaga.
Uy, ang kitang pantalon suot mo ng sipan.
Oo nga, ang ganda nga. Sabi niya, mukha kang ano? Mukha kang walang pera.
Hindi, tignan. Ano sabi yun? Ang puti ko din eh.
Oo nga, ni.
Tinanggal ko nga yung tikit na pa.
It's refreshing. Ay! Yung car lang dapat. It's refreshing. Refreshing. Yung car lang dapat, pero pati ikaw naligyan.
O, linis na yan. How much?
Pabush! We're leaving. Ano? Abay!
Ako dapat ang nagabasa. Oh my God! Rose, your cell phone. It's very... Yes. Okay na. Asaan na? Oh my God! Rose, your cell phone's
Oh my
wet.
God! I forgot!
Yes.
I forgot my phone! OMG. I don't know if it's going
It's
to
a
work though.
broken.
I don't know if it's going to work still. Yeah. Oh, my watch is on.
Hindi na pala nabigay ang
Yeah. I think we're done.